be there. There's a capacitor, 2 farad, four farad, there's a cell of EMF 6 volt, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm. Find the steady state charge across the capacitors. Tell me what is the approach you are going to make it. It's just a simple MSET question. So will you do one thing? So what I'm asking, find the steady state charge across capacitor. So shall we assume that a current I will flow here? This current will come and branch. So here I1, I2. Again this current will branch. I3, I4. Then I'll write loop equation. I'll solve for I1 and I4. 1 hour, the MSET exam will get over by the time you solve this. So the approach is here, is asking steady state charge here. So what we should do, where all capacitor replace with a open circuit. Then get into the problem. Find charge across capacitors after long time. Find the charge across capacitors after long time or at steady state. Both are same, no? It is. So what you should do, again stick on to the basic circuit. Where all capacitor there replaced with a short circuit here. So there's 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm. So there's a 1 capacitor and there's another capacitor. Call AB, give some name to the terminals. How the current will flow, identify that. The current will pass through these branches. Current will not branch. So what is the expression for current? I is equal to E by 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 by 6, 1 ampere. Then I want VAB. So proceed like this. VA minus I into 1 minus I into 2 minus VB 0. So what is VAB equal to? 3I or 3 volt. So what is now steady state charge Q1? C1 into VAB. C1 is 2 into 3. 6 coulombs. So similarly, VCD will find out. So the writing loop equation is a very important part of this discussion. So even you'll get the polarity also. You need not to bother anything. 5I, this will be 5 volt. Then what is the charge? C2 into VCD. This will be 4 into 5, 20 coulombs. Got this? So you're just asking steady state charges. So this should be the approach. You should not go for any other the differentiation mathematical method. Unnecessary, you'll be wasting all your